And you're not often the baby yam balls, and you will love it. And to get your yam, sun fine, first you do function, you're going to taste. Now, let it cook for it to be very soft. And when it's cooked, let it cool down. Or dry, you will mash it. You can use your hands to mash it. You are going to mash this to be very, very smooth. If you have a food processor, you can also use the food processor to mash it. And to so you smooth, the next thing we are going to add is our margarine. And you add margarine to it and let it mix very, very well. Now the margarine, the quantity depends on the quantity of yam, but at the end of the day, make sure the margarine don't quite such the margarine won't be too much in it. Okay, and see, when you mix everything together, let it blend very well, then we're going to add our milk. Yeah, the 1 tin of milk also by then back count. Now you're mixing milk, and also you can increase or decrease the quantity. Now for the egg yolks and cook across 6, so I separated the egg whites aside and then added only the egg yolks to the yam mixture. Then you are going to add green bell peppers, spring onions, and onions. You can decide to use only onions to do this. Now you mix everything. So these are the egg whites. Now, so you take some of the mixture, mold it into the shape and the size that you want, and then you put it into a flood. What is some more? Now I'm a some na ye no fine. A riana that to egg white no more. To the bottom egg white no more. Now my egg white no so. Come on. Then you take it to your breadcrumbs. I have a video on how to make breadcrumbs, so watch it and make your own breadcrumbs. Also obey come on. Then you should have oil on fire. Oil no basically there should be enough oil because you be frying no bet you in deep frying method. And now if you say ritual and ma ijana no yedi, the fire is not supposed to be too high or oil medium heat. Sanano yedina. And sha yam balls wonder no one been but no inside no on being. And so make sure that you are frying it on a medium heat so that the inside will also cook very, very well. And so you'll be stirring. You don't leave it and go and sit down. If not, it will burn. So a benunuma to do bet you won't I fine. Then you take it out and you are done. And see, this is our yam balls. Yeah, yam balls only. Try it and you will not regret. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mass Kitchen, and follow me on TikTok also. Bye.